In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the email address on your Notion account, step by step, using the Notion browser version. This is useful if you're switching to a new email, updating a work address, or simply want better control over your account security. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you don't miss anything. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Notion. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the Notion homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can see all your pages and workspaces. From here, look toward the top left corner of the screen where your workspace name is displayed. Next, click on your workspace name. In this example, it's shown as Sky Space. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Notion Settings area, where you can manage your account preferences, security options, and personal details. Inside the Settings page, look for your account name. Click on your account name to open your account-specific settings. This is where Notion allows you to manage things like your email address and login details. Now, find and click on the option that says Change Email. Notion will prompt you to verify your current email address before making any changes, which is an important security step. Click on Send Verification Code. Notion will send a verification code to your current email address. Go to your inbox, find the email from Notion, and copy the verification code provided. Come back to Notion and type in the verification code exactly as it appears in the email. Once you've entered the code, click on Continue to move to the next step. Now you'll be asked to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email you want to use for your Notion account. Double-check for any typos to avoid issues later. After entering the new email, click on Send Verification Code again. This time, Notion will send a verification code to your new email address. Open that email, copy the code, and return to Notion. Type in the new verification code, and once again, make sure it's correct. Then click on Change Email to confirm the update. At this point, Notion will process the change. You can close the section once it's completed. To double-check that everything worked, click on your workspace name again. You should now see that the email address associated with your workspace has been successfully updated. That's it. You've officially changed your email address on Notion. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Notion tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.